In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Yahoo Mail without account key. If your account is set up with Yahoo's account key and you don't have access to the prompt, don't worry. I'll show you how to get in using a one-time verification code sent by text or email. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type login.yahoo.com and press enter. This is the official Yahoo sign-in page. Double-check the URL and the padlock icon to avoid phishing pages. On the sign-in form, type your full Yahoo email address, including the part after the @ symbol. Check for typos, then click Next. Yahoo may now show an account key prompt. Instead of approving it, look for a small link that says Use text or email to sign in, or try another way to sign in. It's typically near the bottom or below the main button. Click that link to switch away from account key. Next, Yahoo will confirm where to send a verification code. If you're asked to verify the last digits of your phone number, enter those digits to prove the number is yours. Then choose whether you want to receive a code by SMS text or by email. Pick the option you can access right now. Keep the sign-in page open while you wait. Codes expire quickly. If it's an email, check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or junk folder. When the code arrives, return to the Yahoo page and type it exactly as shown. Watch out for zeros versus the letter O, and don't add spaces. If the code has already expired, request a new one and try again. After you enter the correct code, Yahoo will complete the sign-in and take you to your mailbox. If you prefer to use a traditional password instead of account key in the future, you can turn account key off from your account's security settings after you're signed in. That way, the next time you log in, Yahoo will prompt for your password rather than account key. A couple of quick tips. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and consider using a trusted device you recognize. If you don't receive a text, ensure your phone has service and that you're checking the right number. For email codes, give it a minute, then look in spam and use the resend option if needed. Avoid multiple rapid requests, which can delay delivery. That's it. You've signed in to Yahoo Mail without using account key, safely and reliably.